If you have certain unpleasant emotions, take a pen, take a paper, write down. Write down what is it that you feel most of the times in the day. Are you feeling fearful? Are you anxious? Are you feeling resentment for another person? Is there something that is constantly making you feel hurt? Are you feeling disappointed? What is it? Write down. Make a list of these emotions. Because once you make a list, what you will be able to do is every day, every few hours in the day, you can constantly talk to yourself and your subconscious. Let's say the first emotion is anger. Maybe you feel angry most of the times in the day. Pick that up, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and talk to yourself and say, could I let this go? Could I let this feeling go? And spend few seconds just to observe what your inner self is trying to communicate to you. When you say, could I let this feeling go? Most of the times, the answer will be yes, yes, yes. You could let this go. Then keep reminding yourself, this feeling does not serve me any good. So I should be willing to let this go. I should be willing to let this go. This is not bringing me good. I should be willing to let this go. So from starting with, could I let this go, to this is not good for me, coming to, I should be willing to let this go. What this is going to do is, it is going to send a message to your subconscious mind that anger is not what we want to focus on. So the moment I say I should be willing to let this go, automatically the subconscious mind starts to look up for memories from our past that could have contributed to us constantly getting angry today. It goes to our past and it starts to pull up those memories and it starts to clean them. It starts to cleanse them. This is what also happens when we sit in meditation, when we sit in silence. Through our breath, we clean up our memories. Memories that are stored in our subconscious mind. So if I continue to repeat every day, picking up one emotion at a time and reminding myself, I could let this go. I should be willing to let this go. Automatically, the subconscious mind will encourage and join me and cooperate with me in cleaning up memories which are causing me to get angry every day. What you should do is pull out 4 or 5, whatever emotions you have written in your list, and keep this list with you wherever you are. And every few hours in the day, look at this list, take one emotion at a time and do this practice. I'm willing to let this go. I'm willing to let this go. I am willing to let this go. One emotion at a time. We don't want to take all emotions at once, one emotion at a time. Let's say you take anger. Maybe, after this session, you work on anger. Maybe a few hours later, you pick up another emotion. Next day, you can pick up the third emotion that you have written. Like that, in the day, whenever you get the time, pull out these negative emotions. Automatically, you will realize that every part of your body, your subconscious, is now joining you, encouraging you in cleansing up your energy. And when the energy starts to cleanse, you start getting better thoughts. You start performing better at whatever you're doing. Because ultimately, your vibration is controlling however you are achieving your results. Whatever you are doing, everything is coming from vibration. So one emotion at a time. Another very simple way to constantly remind yourself that I should be in good energy because my energy is bringing my results. And that simple way is to keep asking yourself. You could be traveling, you could be visiting someone, you could be in your office, you could be at home. Just pause for a few seconds. Ask yourself, how am I feeling? How am I feeling? If the answer is a positive emotion, say thank you for it, so that your subconscious mind knows, oh, good emotions, positive emotions have to be encouraged. But if you get a negative reply, if you get a negative emotion, immediately say, oh, anger, is it? Fear, is it? Anxiety, is it? Hatred, is it? I'm willing to let this go. I want to let this go. Please let go. It's like you talking to yourself like a parent is talking to a child. Because you see, our subconscious mind is like a small child. This child is imitating everything that you, the conscious mind, is giving it. So if I treat my inner child, which is my subconscious mind, like my own child, automatically, you see, it starts to get influenced by us. That is actually the power of inner child work in subconscious mind reprogramming. Talk to yourself like you are a parent who's talking to his child. Please let go. Please let go. If you play this mental game every few hours in a day, how am I feeling? Thank you if it's a good feeling. And please let go if it's a negative feeling. Automatically you notice that in few days itself, you start having more conscious control over your emotions. After all, what is emotion? Energy in motion is emotion. So at all times, how you are feeling, that is your guidance system. If you are feeling good, that means you're on your way to attract something good in your life. But if you are not feeling good, let's wake up. It's a reminder for you to now take some action to start feeling better. Otherwise, you will lose control over the result and the outcome that you are going to bring into your life. If you look at a GPS, you see the GPS is very widely used by all of us today to go from our current location to our destined location. However, even a GPS can only help us if we input our current location. Can it help us? Can it give you a map if you just input your desired location, go to location? No. So unless and until I'm not connected with my present feelings, with my current vibration, you see, I can't go. I can't march ahead towards what I want. I have to first know where I am. Then I can move towards where I want to go. That is why this practice around feelings that I have shared with you will help you a great deal to overcome resistances to positive attitude and mindset in life.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.